Number 5. Longer LK1. Extra large build platform. Recover printing function. Easy to assemble and use. Printing efficient and safe. 100% quality guaranteed. This 3D printer comes with one of the largest build spaces available. At 300 400 mm. The unique high-precision nozzle of 0.4 mm hot end with straight. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. FlashForge Adventurer 3 Lite. Build volume, 150 x 150 x 150 mm. Layer resolution, 0.1 to 0.4 mm. Max print bed temperature, 100 degrees Celsius 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximum nozzle temperature, 230 C. Filament compatibility, PLA/ABS/Pearl/PLA color change/metal filled/wood filled/high speed PLA. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Ender 5 Pro. With 3 upgrade features, V1.1.5 silent main board, metal extruder frame, premium PTFE tube. Molding technology FDM. Print dimensions 220 300 mm. Print speed less than or equal to 180 mm per second, normal printing speed 40-80 mm per second. Print accuracy, plus or minus 0.1 mm. Layers thick 0.1-0.4 mm. Nozzle temperature less than or equal to 260 degrees centigrade. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Jaguar A5S. Jaguar 3D printer A5S has large build size, 305 320 mm 12 6 in. BDG heated platform. Power failure protection. Filament run-out detection, the machine beeps when filament runs out to remind you to change new filament quickly. High print accuracy and high speed with quiet working. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Geeetech E180. Its classic black and white comparison gives E180 a touch of elegance and simplicity. Enhanced printing accuracy. Easy Print 3D app. Made from sheet metal and injection modeling, the whole architecture is endowed with the characteristics of stability, endurance and vibration-resistant performance, hence extraordinary printing experience. Please check the description for details and best price.